The retinol sandwich method is a technique where you place your retinol between two layers of moisturizer. This is especially useful for those wanting to reduce the effects of stronger retinols like 0.5 or 1% for various reasons. By applying a moisturizer first, it helps to reduce and slow down the penetration of your retinol, which helps to lessen skin irritation. And by adding an additional layer of moisturizer afterwards, it provides more hydration. Now, if you're working with a low-strength retinol, like 0.1 to 0.3%, I wouldn't do this method as it may slow down the penetration of your retinol too much, leading to less or either no visible results at all. And now, let me show you how you can do this method. Start any skincare routine by cleaning your face. Use a mild non-exfoliating acid cleanser suitable for your skin type. This helps remove excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin. And remember to pat your skin dry before applying your moisturizer. Now it's time to apply the first layer of moisturizer. Think of it as the bottom slice of your sandwich. And make sure that you choose the right moisturizer for your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for a gel type moisturizer. But if you have dry skin, opt for a lotion or cream. Use about a bean-sized amount and then apply it evenly over your face and neck. And now wait a few minutes for it to absorb. Once your moisturizer has been absorbed, it's time for the filling of your sandwich. Dispense 3 to 4 drops of retinol serum onto the palm of your hand, or a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Rub them together and then apply it evenly on top of your moisturizer. Avoid the eyelids, corners of the eyes, corners of the nose and lips. And now wait a few minutes for your retinol to absorb. And now complete your sandwich with the top slice, a second layer of your moisturizer. Again, take a bean-sized amount and apply it evenly on top of your retinol. Remember, retinol can make the skin more sensitive to the sun, increasing the risk of sunburn. Therefore, it's essential to use a good sunscreen during the daytime, so please do not forget this. If you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skin caring!